Okay, the recording process is going to continue. Okay, a very good morning, my dear student. It's time to teach our class 6. Subject is health, and about the related class, I have already informed you. Today, we are going to discuss about the second chapter about the personal health. In the personal health, there is many more different kinds of information that can help us to lead the vital role to build up our body structure of figure or every types of dimensional changes or physical changes which is happening in our body naturally. It's because of the personal health. And about the related personal health, I'm going to share you my screen here. This is my screen that I have already shared you. And about the related class, we have already discussed here about the related class, about personal health in our last classes. So we have already discussions what is called personal health, why it is an important thing to care of our health. For your kind information that we know already, personal health belongs emotional. Personal health belongs emotional, spiritual sense, any types of good and bad behavior, every types of activity that we are doing every day. It's all are our personal health activity, and that we know already. Personal health, basically, personal health that you can say is a set of practices performed by a person. Set of practice means any types of activity which we are doing in our favor, in our related favor of body. It is known as personal health. In our last classes, we have already discussed about rules of personal health, and today in our class we are going to discuss about the care of face. Is the care of face. How can we care to our face? It has been written, it has been screening in your screen also. Here is Facebook is an important part of our body, right? Our face consists of different organs like eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Usually, face is not covered by any cloth. Dust and dirt easily encounter our facial skin, so we should wash our face daily with a clean water and soap. It removes the dirt particles from our facial skin. Face becomes dirty due to sweating also. We must wipe our face with clean water, clean soft towel after washing it. It's all are the regular thing that we are doing in our daily life. That we know everything is depend on the good and bad behavior. I would like to remember one more thing, my dear student. If our face is looks like a charming, so looks like a very gentle, if our face is looks like a very freshness, then it means that face will identify by the others you are the good civilian. Your facial structure, our facial structure will expose the expression of our body. Actually, activity of our body, it is identified by others directly. This is the very natural thing that can easily identify by others. You are the good or bad behavior related students that we can easily identify because of the face. So it is the important part of our body that is very important organs, that different organs like eyes, nose, ear, and mouth. All these related types of face organs is not covered by cloth. That's because sometimes dust, dirt easily encountered our facial skin. That's because before we go to the office, before we go to the any types of related job, we better to wash our face. We can bath regularly. It is the better meant or better care for our skin or face, that you know every day. It means the regular bathing is the good practice of our habits. that can give us a good flexibility of the mind, that can improve very clearly. Our thoughts can easily motivate into the positive way. It will move in positive way because of the freshness of our face. It has been written here, how can we care? How can we care of face? How can we care of our face? It has been written here, we should wash our face daily with soap and water. That is the reality that we are doing every day, because when we clean our face, then we feel freshness. Our mind is reactivate to do to solve any types of problem very quickly and very clearly because of the freshness. We should wash our face after playing games. It is also important. We can use sunscreen cream and other requirement medicine product facial skin. It is a little bit expensive, but I think if we are if we are doing if we are doing very carelessness, due to the carelessness that already, our skin is going to dry every day. It's because of the carelessness. That's because in this point, it has been written here, we can use sunscreen cream and other requirement medicine product facial skins. Those people who don't have enough money to purchase such types of medicine, such types of facial skin, they can protect against the sunshine reflected very harmful ray by using umbrella, by using such types of cover that we can use for the protection of the different types of ray of the light. Number D, it has been written here, we should take proper rest and sleep. It is also an important part of our life that already. Proper rest and sleep is the very, very important point of our personal health. If we do not, if we do not agree to rest and sleep as per the regular schedule, it means our mentality growth, mean that already mentally growth and our every dimensional changes, it has been infected by the different types of problems like tiredness, boredom, we feel laziness, tediness, any types of related unwanted activity will happen in our body. So that's the very important thing, we should take proper rest and sleep. About the rest and sleep, I would like to remember you one more time. Basically, within 24 hours, how many hours we need to rest? That is the very rule, certain rule. Basically, the certain rules will apply to the kids and the youngster also, younger also. Kids can take rest more than 10 hours, but younger can take rest more than 6 to 8 hours. It is an important part of our life. If we are taking the proper rest and sleep, our physical dimensional changes that you can say, physical changes, dimensional activity related changes, our every social spiritual power can increase day by day automatically. It's because of the personal health related activity. So it's all are the related part of the care of our personal health. Number A, it has been written here, we should take balanced diet. It is also an important part that already. Balanced diet is one of the major thing that we need to care every day for our personal life, for our personal health. If those who is not taking the balanced diet every day, the body structure, their body structure, their that you can say their figure structure or the structure of their body is not going to improve just like a healthy person. That's because balanced diet is one of the major thing for our life. If we are taking the balanced diet every day as per the proper planning, our body, our every organs of the body is going to improve, going to develop in a good condition. That's because our body will able to success, able to solve any types of problem than the other body, other human beings. Actually, those who do not have, those who do not taking the balanced diet, they will not survive such types of related good life. They will not compare.
Good life sustainability.
Sorry,
There is
is there any problem? Yeah, hello.
no,
Okay, my
sir.
dear. Okay, thank you. We should take balanced diet. It means balanced diet that you know already. I have already tell you. Balanced diet is one of the major part of our life that we are taking from the food. What is called balanced diet? Every types of nutritious foods like all the vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, etc. that you can say. It's all are the balanced diet. That type of related food we will take from the food directly. If that type of food is taking to your personal health, your spiritual thinking, your physical structure, your facial look of is going to develop very smartly. And that you know, every smart person can solve any types of problem. That you know, a smartness can give us the good identification of the good civilian. So everything is the base of the balanced diet that we must care. The next one is, it has been written here, use of drinking water. Use of drinking water. Why the human body needs the water? That you know already, it has been written here in our related book. It has been written, water is an important element of our body. We know that our body needs straight drinking water of our good health. Our body constitutes about 60 to 70% of water. Water is essential for digestion of food and blood circulation, and also the flush toxins from our body. It also helps in balancing body temperature, carrying oxygen and nutrients to cells, and excretion of the wasted product from the body. We need to drink 2-3 liters water in a day. Water can purified by boiling and filtration. Okay, let me describe, my dear friend. It has been written here. It is an important element of our body because it consists how many? 60 to 70% of water. Our body will recover 60 to 70% of water. That's because our body will take such types of balance. Our body can manage, our body can balance the temperature. Our body can our body can supply different types of related vitamins to every organs. Everything is dependent to the water. Okay, the next one is, it has been written here, the water is also help us to, the water is also help us to circulation and flush the toxins. Toxins means unwanted chemicals from our body. For example, those drunkards who is drinking every day, who is drinking every day such types of unwanted alcohol, their body is their body is discharging, their body is wastage waste the wastages from the body, that you can say the related drunkard's body will discharge such types of unwanted chemicals or the toxins from our body with the help of the water. So it is an important also. It helps us to balancing our body temperature, carrying oxygen and dendritic cells to the extraction of the wasted product from the body. Okay, there is another more point. excretion of the waste product from the body. Excretion, that our urine, our stool, it means that dung of the people, or you can say it's a excretion of wastage product from the body. It can easily discharge from our body with the help of the water. If those people who is not drinking more than 2 to 3 liter water every day, their uh, the stool of that type of people is very hard, and they are suffering from different types of disease like diabetes. So it is an important part about the drinking water. This is the very very important related thing that we can do not that we do not agree without taking such types of related water every 2 to 3 liter, that you can say. Without 2 or 3 liter water, our body will not feel refreshness every day. Our facial structure, our facial structure is also not charming. The face is not gives us such types of light. That's because other people can easily identify our nature. It's everything is related to the. It's everything is related to the such types of related activity of our life. Okay. The next thing is management of safe drinking water. How can we deserve? How can we deserve such types of good water for our good life? It has been written in your book also, and in a I have already seen the screen, that in the screen it has been written here, management of drinking water. How can we use and utilize such types of process for the good and filtration water for our personal health? It has been written here in our book also. We should store water in clean pots. This is very clear thing that you know already. We should filter drinking water properly. How can we filter? If we are taking the very pure water, our body will survive, our body will digest very clearly. And that's because we cannot feel different types of related problems, like diabetes problem is the one of the major problem from the water. Those civilians, those people who is not taking the proper dose of the water, they are suffering from different types of problem like diabetes, paining of the stomach, paining, kidney problem, etc. Many more problem they are facing due to the carelessness of the proper rest and the drinking water also. It has been written here. We should boil water at least 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Can you believe 5 to 10 minutes is better for the boil of the water? Actually, if the fresh water, if there is fresh water that we are using, we can utilize 5 to 10 minutes for the boiling. If within 5 to 10 minutes your water that you are going to boil is already heated over than 100 temperature, 100 degrees centigrade, then it's better. Otherwise, we need to wait the correct uh, proper boiling stage. After the boiling stage, we need to take a we need to give us a certain few minutes more because of the a little bit warm water that we can take. It has been written here. It is the process that we can apply for the filtration of the different types of related water. Okay, number D, we should always drink pure, clean, and safe drinking water. We should always drink pure, clean, and safe drinking water. Number E, we can also apply SODIS technology to purify the drinking water. What is called SODIS technology? Which is catching over there. Don't do. Otherwise, I will block right now. Okay, we can apply storage technology to purify. It's all are the related things that is important part of our related activity, which is survive, which can survive us for the balancing different types of related drinking water. Next one is, it has been written here about the rest and sleep, or the physical exercise that we have already discussed. Next one is the physical exercise. What is called physical exercise? Why it is an important part of our life? Why why the physical exercise is needed for our body? Why it is an important? Because it can help us to support different types of related work and activity. It has been written here in our book, uh, in your screen that I have already shared you. It has been written here. Physical exercise is also equally essential to our body. It keeps our body fit, fine, healthy, and wealthy. There is one more thing that I would like to remember you. Health is wealth. That is the important funda that we that funda that fundamental that you can say, this is the fundamental thing that we need to recover to our personal life, to our personal body. It has been written here. It keeps our body fit, fine, healthy, and wealthy. It makes our muscles healthier and stronger. It helps to strength immune systems and prevent the disease like diabetes, obesity, depression, heart disease, hypertension, insomnia. Insomnia, etc. It's a name of all these types of related disease because of the due to the regular exercise it's happening in our body. Those civilians, those students, those people who are doing the physical exercise as per the proper planning, no matter they are
Sir,
going to. Yeah, please tell me. Yes, hello.
don't teach rest and sleep.
Sorry,
D.
sorry.
Sir, you don't teach rest and sleep.
I don't teach.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay.
sir, you don't teach.
Okay, okay, okay. I will teach. I will teach. Okay, don't worry. Let me describe. Then after we'll talk. Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. So it has been written here about all these types of related things about the physical exercise. It has been written here. Physical exercise. Let me describe one more time, my dear friend. Physical exercise is one of the major activity, major part of our life. Because of the physical exercise, our that the six packs of our stomachs, our arms, our smartness, or every fitness that can be figured out with the help of the physical exercise. With the help of the physical exercise, we can easily achieve such types of good goal very clearly, because those civilians who those people those student who is doing the regular physical exercise, their spiritual thinking, their that the creative thinkers in the field of the different types of related work, that some people are very di- uh, the people are different than the other people. They can think, they can remember at least more than 5 to 10 years later related subject matter. They can remember every day, everything. How is it possible? It's because of the spiritual thinking or creative thinkers, that you can say. That type of related peoples or civilians are taking the proper rest and sleep and doing the physical exercise for the development or growth of their structure of body. So it is an important part also. It has been written here in our book. It helps strengthen immune system and prevent the disease like diabetes, obesity, depression, heart disease, hypertension, etc. Many more. Advantage of exercise: helps to keep us fit and fine. That is the better one. Helps to promote mental health. Mental, that our nerves, our nervous systems, the creative thinkers, every civilians able, every
Sir, what it mean I promote?
sorry,
Promote means
okay, promote.
what it mean I promote?
Okay, promote means aggressive, that carry for the other good work. That I will I will request you all the students to promote in a good condition for your good study. Like, okay, it means I can support you, help you for the good work. That is promote. Okay, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it has been written here. Helps to promote, mental health. Our related mental, our mind is going to develop with the help of the physical exercise also. Let me join one more thing here in this point. Mental health: if we are playing different types of games, no matter it's a computer games, no matter it's a chess, no matter it's a different types of playing related games, any types of games, but basically chess, the chess and the related types of video games will help us to develop the mental health very clearly. So exercise is related to internal and external organs also. If we are writing every day, if we are remember the word meaning every day, every time, before we go to bed, before we go to bed, we better to remember which type of related meanings that we need to remember. These types of proper planning if we are doing in our life, it means that mental physical exercise, mentally exercise is going to rearrange day by day. That's because we do not forget very clearly. So it helps us to develop the mental sharpness also. It helps to promote the mental health. Helps to control body weight also. No matter the body weights, I would like to remember you the body weights. In our society there is many more civilians, those who have too much stomachs. uh, they cannot easily sit on the related chair. They cannot move fastly like a healthy person. It's because of the weight of the body. So how can we control our body weight as per the regarding structure of or the age of your structure? We need to survive, we need to utilize such types of related controlling power with the exercise. Helps to acquire quality of life. How can we compare to the other students, to the other good civilians like Bill Gates, like that who is the I forget, I think uh, who is the owner of the Google, that Pichai,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Pichai.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Mr. Pichai is one of the major characters of the India. That is that post holder is the better, and I think everything is related to acquire quality of our life. We have the power. We can utilize our ability. We can utilize our intellectual power. Which type of life we are going to choose? That means the acquired quality of life. It is also important role of the physical exercise. It is better for our life. Helps to strengthen immunity systems. Now these days we are our civilians of Nepalese people are suffering from different types of related infections. Basically, now these days, the COVID-19 is the major problem of our country in this world also. And immunity systems, with the help of the physical exercise, we can increase the immunity systems, and that's because we can protect against the different types of disease very clearly. Number F helps to make our muscles healthier and stronger. Next one is the recreation. What is called recreation? Recreation and entertainment are essential components of our healthy living. Recreation is a range of activities done with done in the leisure done in the leisure time that gives us relaxation. It provides refreshment to our body and mind. The activities like playing games, football, or any types of related games that we can, or any types of related activity, watching movie, reading books, listening to music, swimming, gardening, fishing, etc., can be taken as the means of recreation. Recreation means that, entertainment. In other words, you can say recreation means entertainment. How we can involve mentally and physically to the activity that we are going to do. Game, trekking, swimming, blending, rafting, listening to music, reading books, watching movie, gardening, fishing, etc. Any types of recreation activity that we can do as per proper planning, and that type of related proper planning will help us to develop the good and charming and the very useful condition of our health. It is an important thing. Okay. The next one is some advantages of recreation. Promotes physical and mental healthy. It's a spelling mistake is here. I will rectify later on. Promotes physical and mental health. Provides fun and entertainment. Widens and the horizontal of friendship. Widens the horizontal of friendship. That you know already. I have already tell you, in our related every activity, there are two types of people. One is the bad, another is the good one. Bad people, they will they will follow the bad people. Good civilian, good people always follow the good civilian. What type of friendship that you are going to do? That is the major character of recreation. If your friend circle is good, you can entertain just like the same circle. So widen the horizon of the friendship. It's because of the entertainment area of your friend circle. Boost of positive energy and attitude. Every day, anywhere, anytime. If we can give us give to the good support to other students, to other people, no matter in our family, if we boost off to our parents, mom and dad, it's a online banking. It's online banking. No need to go from the house. We can easily transfer the fund. We can easily purchase such types of related things online. That type of positive energy and attitude, you can survive to your family. In our family, we can survive. That type of related positive energy and every types of related things can build up with the help of the recreation. Helps in the process of socialism, that you can say socialization, that every social is every social activity or work is that operating by the social worker. We do not forget we are also living in society, and what is the proper guideline that we are serving in our society for a good society. No matter, I have already tell you, my dear student, I have already tell you in my class, basically, if those civilian is bad, no need to hesitate them. We need to change the bad behavior into good behavior. That is the good civilizations we need to follow. Number helps to control hypertension, stress, and complication. Okay, helps to control the stress and other complication. Use of clean clothes, it is also important. Cloth is a primary need of human life. They are made from cotton, wool, polyester, animal skin, etc. Clean clothes help our body remain healthy. We wear clothes to keep our body safe from dust and external environment. Clothes also reveal our personality and social status. Neat, tidy, and comfortable clothes according to the changing season make us comfortable and healthy. We should wear clean clothes for healthy living. It is the better thing that you can imagine by yourself. It has been written here. Points to be considered while wearing clothes. We should not wear tight clothes. It's better. We do not feel comfortable. That's because we never utilize the tight clothes. We should wash our clothes regularly. We should not wear synthetic or artificial clothes. Synthetic or artificial. Such types of clothes is very dangerous for our body. That's because we cannot utilize such types of related artificial or synthesis related clothes. Clothes should be worn according to the weather. According to the weather, of course, we can utilize such types of, if the weather is this weather, it means the summer weather, we can utilize very lightable and comfortable clothes, cotton cloth that you can use. In the summer season, that you can sorry, in the summer season we are using the lighting cloths. In the other related cold season, we can utilize very comfortable clothes or warm clothes like a jacket, sweater, etc. Number A, clothes that we wet by sweat should not be utilized or changed, that you can say. We said we should wear neat, clean, and comfortable clothes. Any types of related clothes that we are using for our body, it is an important. Okay, the exercise, it has been written here about the exercise, my dear friends. It is the exercise, and that exercise I have already shared in your screen. That exercise you must be completed. And I would like to, my dearest friend, about the rest and sleep. I would like to talk within 1 minute. We have 1 minute left, so I would like to tell you about the rest and sleep. That you know already, rest is an important part of our body. We need adequate rest because of the tired of organs system regain strength with it. Rest will make our mind refresh. We need rest after work and play. That is better thing. Our body gets complete rest from sleep. Adequate rest and sleep is necessary to get rid of fatigue, tiredness, and stress. If we are taking proper rest, then our body will not feeling tiredness, fatigue, and stress, mental stress. We can feel freshness every day, anytime, everywhere. So it is the important. It has been written here.